shit. The Chinese actually invested $430 million to build a bridge in the sky like building blocks. Once completed, it became the first in the world. It is the Wujiang Bridge in Guizhou. The bridge is 6,000 feet long. The main span is 1,700 feet. It is the world's largest span concrete-filled steel tube arch bridge. The construction of such a shocking project is extremely difficult. 60 lifting sections weighing 157 tons needed to be lifted to an altitude of 500 feet using a cable crane system and moved to the designated location accurately. These lifting segments are then spliced together. The error must also be controlled within 0.1 inches. Be very careful with every step of the operation. The whole operation process is like building blocks. In addition, the entire Wujiang Bridge is connected by high-strength bolts, more than 220,000 bolts,